Hi and welcome to this YouTube channel once again. I'll be showing us in this quick video tutorial. I'll be showing us how to navigate and use CapCut's mobile version. I'm sure a lot has been explained already in the previous video on how to use CapCut, and I'm sure that was taught using the desktop version. So without repeating too much, I will be taking us through a sample video edit specifically for my business owner. So I'll be using a lip gloss product to show us how we can create a simple and an effective video using just a smartphone without breaking a bank. So let's get into it. So the first thing, you click on your new project here, right here. So the next thing is, I also downloaded a dark image like this. You see what I'm going to use it for. So I downloaded it, and here I have this. Downloaded different pictures of lip gloss products online, and I also generated a picture of this flyer here, so I'll be using it here. So just let's watch how we do it. So I use this flyer first. I want the flyer to appear first, so that's why I'm clicking on it first. So this is what I'm doing. So yes, I have this dark background image and I have this flyer. So I want this flyer under this image. Yes, so I click on this and I use my overlay. So overlay is to make the whatever it is you highlight, it is going to make it move at the second position, like the second clip, exactly like what just happened here. So I want it here. I want to add the picture 3 times, so I'm going to do that 3 times. So I have it here. So yes, I have my image shown 3 times. So I want the first one to appear at the top part, so I'm dragging it. I can make it a little bit bold. So the second one, I highlight it, I click on it, and then I have it here. I can make this first one a little bold. Yeah exactly, just like that. All you just need to do is use your hands to navigate. Yes, you use your 2 hands to scale it. Now the third one is showing just okay. Let's just say the second one, and then everything. So I make that, I make it fit the screen exactly. So and then I want it to disappear at the same time, so they have the same clip. And now let's watch what we have. So can you see it appearing one after the other? So that's for the first part. Exactly. So now it is time to click on the text, and I say let me add text. So let's use I want to use a font for it, so I click on my font and then let me choose the one I want. We have a lot, so let me choose this particular one, and I can increase it using my hands, my 2 hands. So I'll be writing I sell lip gloss. So I'll be changing the font for this cell. Let's use elegant. I sell lip gloss. So let me reduce the size a little bit. So let's change the font now. I sell lip gloss. Seems I would like to use this first one, like a romantic. Exactly. So let's fit in. So let's increase the font. Let's increase it a little bit. So yes, then let's add animation. We can also add animation to our text and even for pictures. So not just only pictures or video. We can also add animation to the text. So let's click on the animation button. Then we have lots. We have the in, we have the out, and we have the loop. So let's just explore and then pick one. So let's use this. We click on animation and let's check loop on for text. Exactly. I don't know if that's too much or exactly. And then for the last one, which is the lip gloss. So let's check loop. So this is the final result after adding animation to the text. So this is pleasing now. So then the next thing is to showcase the whole product. So the whole idea behind this is showing the flyer, like your flyer if you do have. So showing that to showcase that yes, you have a brand, and here introducing what you do. So this is why I brought the idea of using I sell lip gloss. So you can use any other thing. So exactly. So let's add, so it's time for us to showcase the project. Like I already downloaded pictures, different pictures of lip gloss off camera before. So these are the pictures I downloaded already. So let's just start to import them one after the other. So let's just click on as many as we want. I don't think I want that there. So I also use, even after using the lip gloss. So like how it is. I downloaded a lot of pictures though. So we have them here. So we have a whole lot. So showing them. So yeah, I think that's all. Then we click on add. So I have these here. So exactly, let's check what we have now. So the flyer displaying and then introducing what you do. So you sell lip gloss. So I think we should extend the duration so that you can see it. So it will not just this way. Let's check it. So here, so we have, so now using the duration of these pictures. Yeah, so let's reduce it to, so the way I'm doing it, I am just dragging it. Yeah, so let's say 7 seconds. It's fine. So since we have a lot of product to display, so 7 seconds for each. So meanwhile, let's I assume we understand how I am dragging it. But then another method we can use is to use our split method. So now this clip is 27 long. So how do I split it to just 6 seconds? So I just move it here and then I click on the split button and then it splits this clip into two. I click on the first one or the beginning, any one of it you can delete from it. Now hit the delete button and then I have a shorter clip. So exactly, this is how we can also reduce the duration by using the split method or dragging it. If you don't understand the way I'm doing it, you can use the other method. So in this video, we've learned how to use the split, we've learned how to use the overlay, we've learned how to use the text, we've learned how to use the animation for both text. So another thing I would like us to use is transition. So this is another way to transit from the first clip to another clip. So it's giving this, let's just try it. So I click on this here, then so you have to have two or more clips before you can translate. So I click on, we have a lot of translation here. So let's just assume I'm using this black fade. I don't know if you saw what just happened there. So let me play that. Did you see this sign? This is a sign of transition. So did you see the black feed that just pop up. So that is how transition works. But I would like my transition to happen at the end of the video. And exactly, so look at a lot of transition options here. You have the light effects, you have the camera, depending on how fast your internet is, so it will just load and then you have it to yourself. So I'll be using this black fade again, and love to I want it to happen for 3 seconds. Yeah, so now the sign is there already. That's how you know that the transition has been applied. So you click on it and then we see what just happened. So now this is what we have without breaking our bank. Exactly. So let's watch. So I saw lip gloss and then we start to display. So this is just you displaying the all of your products in just one video. Now to make this video more engaging and how to catch people's attention, I would love us to use music. So I'll click on my audio button rather than I click on my sound. So depending on how fast your internet is, we have a whole lot of sounds we can use. So you want to use any of these, you can click on it. Let's just try this. But then, so that is another way to use the sound directly from CapCut. But if you know you cannot find the exact sound you want, or you have your preferred choice, you can just CapCut has made it easy that you can just extract an audio exactly from maybe a video you've watched before, you've seen before. So you can just extract that audio. So you click on your extract button, and yes, so I think I have a video already before, so I'll click on it and I'll click on the extract and add. So let's listen to it. Exactly, so that's the sound we'll be using. Yes, I love the sound. Yes. So another thing we can add is also, let's add your brand name at the end. Let's use Dazzling Lip first. So I think that's fine. Then this is what we can do here. So we have that. So this would appear as a video. So how you don't need to break a bank before you can edit your video. You don't need to pay a whole lot before you can edit a simple video. So this is just what we'll be having at the end of the day. This is great.